Looking for the best camera drone in 2026? Whether you're a content creator, traveler, or just love capturing cinematic shots, today we're counting down the top 5 drones that deliver incredible performance, stunning visuals, and serious value. From budget-friendly options to pro-level aerial machines, number 1 might surprise you. At number 5, we have the AE60 GPS Drone. This is a solid entry-level option for beginners who want premium-style features without spending a fortune. It comes with an 8K camera, though in real-world use, expect solid HD performance rather than true cinematic 8K. Still, for casual shooting, it gets the job done. You also get a 3-axis gimbal for smoother footage, built-in obstacle avoidance, and a large screen controller, which means you don't need your phone to fly. If you're just getting started or buying your first drone, this is a practical and affordable choice. Coming in at number 4, the P7 Max drone steps things up with more advanced features and better flight performance. It offers long-range digital transmission, smooth brushless motors, and a built-in screen remote that makes flying incredibly convenient. The obstacle avoidance system helps prevent crashes, especially for newer pilots. While it advertises 8K video, the real strength here is stability and usability rather than pure camera quality. This drone is perfect for hobbyists who want more control and features without going fully professional. At number 3, we have the FIMI Mini 3, a powerful compact drone that's perfect for creators on the go. Weighing just under 249 grams, it's ultra-portable and doesn't require registration in many regions, including the US. Despite its small size, it delivers impressive 4K HDR video with a true 3-axis gimbal for smooth cinematic shots. With up to 9 kilometers of transmission range and reliable GPS features like auto return, this drone is both powerful and beginner-friendly. If you travel a lot or want something lightweight without sacrificing quality, this is a fantastic choice. At number 2, the Potensic Atom 2 delivers one of the best value packages in 2026. You get stunning 4K HDR video, 8K photo capability, and a highly stable 3-axis gimbal. What really sets it apart is its smart features, AI tracking, vertical shooting for TikTok and Instagram, and even night shooting modes. With a 10-kilometer range and under 249-gram design, it hits the sweet spot between portability and performance. For content creators and social media users, this drone is a powerhouse. Taking the number 1 spot, the FIMI X8 Tele Max. This is the most powerful and professional drone on our list. It features true 4K video at 60 frames per second, delivering incredibly smooth and detailed footage. With a massive 20-kilometer transmission range, this drone is built for serious aerial photography. The dual camera system and AI-powered night mode allow you to capture stunning visuals even in low light. Add in a highly stable 3-axis gimbal and advanced GPS features, and you've got a drone that rivals much more expensive models. If you want top-tier performance without going into ultra-premium pricing, this is the one to beat. So, those were the top 5 drones of 2026. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's something here for everyone. Let us know in the comments, which one would you choose? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more deals with Global Deal Explorer.